Hello and welcome to Fine Arts Channel. Just this weekend, my channel passed 100 subscribers. I cannot thank all of you enough for your support thus far, and I hope it will continue on the road to 1,000 subscribers. To celebrate, we're going to be making a wooden play button using walnut and basswood. Let's get started. Alright, so I've roughed out my outline onto both pieces. I'm going to be going a little large on this one and a little bit small on that one. The first step is going to be cutting the corners off this piece and this piece. I'm going to do that with my chisel, file, and coping saw. Alright, so I've roughed out the two pieces. Don't know if you saw the blade snap, but it wasn't really a problem because the one I got came with 144 extra blades. So. Anyway, I need to drill a hole right through there so we can slip our coping saw in and cut around. Okay, hole has been magically drilled for us. Just gotta put my coping saw through now. I just pop it through like that. Darn. Pop it through, and then I can reattach this blade here. Make sure everything's tight. We're good to go. Okay, so I finished cutting stuff out. The next step is going to be using these assorted files to get in there and start to trim it down so that we get a really snug fit with this piece. Obviously, both pieces are not yet perfect. We still have some gaps here and there, and I'm going to need to take care of those as I try to get it down to its final form. I'd say that this pretty darn good fit. I'm gonna glue it up, come back, and then we're gonna plane this down and do some other finishing work. Alright, so I glued it. Not the best glue up of all time, but we can work with it. Just gonna sand this side and sand this plate back so that it's flush with the rest of the piece. Alright, so here is our 100 subscriber play button. I put some finishing wax on it to really bring out the grain, and I think it looks pretty good. Again, I want to thank all of you for your support to get me thus far, and I hope it will continue. Don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.